Natural gas running into a little bit of trouble. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by FXEmpire, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The natural gas market initially tried to rally here on Thursday, but has given back a little bit of the gains as we are finding the previous uptrend line offering a bit of resistance. We are also hanging around the 200-day EMA, which of course is an indicator that a lot of people would pay close attention to. It is relatively flat right along with the 50-day EMA, so that suggests that we are very much in a range, which I think is pretty obvious since the beginning of May that we haven't really been able to pick a direction for any significant amount of time. Nonetheless, this is a market that I think still has a lot of overhead pressure based on the seasonality and the fact that demand is probably going to be dropping. Heating demand is dropping in North America, but there is the nuance this year that's a little bit different in the sense that the Europeans are importing more U.S. gas. There's also questions about whether or not Russian gas will ever come back online in the continent, and this may, in the future at least, open up the possibility of higher prices in the off season, if you will, making natural gas extraordinarily supported. That being said, we also have to think about AI and electricity and things like that. So longer term, we may see a little bit of a change in the way the market works this time of year. Regardless, and thinking well past all of that, I look at this as a market that you're still fading rallies in, at least for a couple of months. If we were to break above the previous uptrend line, then we could go looking to the $3.75 level and then possibly $4, which is the top of the overall range. On the downside, the $3.20 level is a potential target. And then after that, we could be looking at the $3 level. We're essentially in the middle of the range, but it does look like we're getting a little bit tired. So therefore, I think more downward than upward pressure is present. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.